Each year, we consume about 14 million US tons of polystyrene. About 34% of that is recycled. The non-recycled polystyrene ends up somewhere between the landfill and the ocean. About 269,000 is from takeout containers that have made their way to the ocean. Styrofoam use has increased over the years since it is used for one-time packaging use for fragile goods, such as TVs, and it is also used for dishes such as cups, plates, and takeout containers. Styrofoam exposure can lead to health problems. Styrene residues can be found in all human fat tissue. Exposure can increase the risk of leukemia and lymphoma. Some long-term effects on the central nervous system are headaches, fatigue, weakness, depression, CSN dysfunction, hearing loss, and peripheral neuropathy. Styrofoam is a growing environmental problem because it is filling our landfills and is non-biodegradable. Polystyrene takes hundreds, if not thousands, of years to biodegrade, making it essentially non-biodegradable. Even if it makes it to the landfill, it still has the potential to be carried by the wind into nearby streets or oceans or water sources. When styrofoam breaks apart, it can become a choking hazard or intestinal problem for animals that may eat it.
In a study by Stanford University research engineer Wei-Min Wu, it was found that mealworms are capable of digesting and breaking down polystyrene. They accomplish this by depolymerizing it and breaking it down into CO2, fecal matter, and carbon-13 biomass. To test this, 3 groups of 500 mealworms each from the 3 sites Beijing, China, Qinhuangdao, China, and Ham Lake, Minnesota were tested. The mealworms were found to have no lingering effects from eating only polystyrene, and they were able to live for another month until they became pupa and then emerged 2 weeks later as healthy darkling beetles. Within 12 to 24 hours after ingesting polystyrene, it was excreted as fecal matter. As far as these tests can tell, mealworms could be the solution to disposing of polystyrene in the future. In the event that the mealworm population grows too large to handle, the excess worms could be used as food for animals or humans, if there are for sure no harmful side effects on the worms that could translate to the consumer. Another option is to further research how they are able to depolymerize the polystyrene so well and develop artificial ways to break down polystyrene.